Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. If you're new here, I like to make videos about affordable beauty on a budget. And if you do decide to splurge and spend just a little bit of money, because we all like to do that from time to time, I like to help you make the best purchase that you can. So if that sounds good to you, you are definitely in the right place. So today's video is actually a Dollar Tree haul, and it's actually been a little while since I've done one of these. I did quite a few of them a little bit earlier in the year, and I will link my Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist down below in the description box, because if you like videos like this, you'll definitely want to check all of those out. But yeah, it's been a little while since I've done a Dollar Tree haul, so my closest Dollar Tree, the one that I frequent the most often, just hasn't had a lot in the last month or so. I do go there often, so it's not that I haven't gone, it's just that I have not found anything really that I've wanted to share or felt like I had enough to share. But today I found a few things and wanted to share them with you. So if you want to see what I bought at the Dollar Tree today, definitely keep on watching. So before we get started, definitely make sure you're subscribed and become one of my Dollar Divas. And if you're here for the first time, welcome. And if you could comment down in the comment section down below, #Dollar Diva. That way I know who you are. And if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. So the makeup look that I'm wearing today, I'm actually going out tonight. This is like my second time kind of being around people since the quarantine. And so I'm actually wearing makeup, and I'm actually even like dressed to go out. I mean dressed, I'm wearing a tank top. But I do usually always like wear my pajamas when I film. It's just kind of like my thing. It's like how I'm comfortable. But I am actually getting ready to go out, so my makeup is gonna be seen by people today. And all the products that I used today on my face are in my last makeup basket. I will include that in the description box below. That way you can see what products gave me this makeup look. So definitely check out my makeup basket Monday video. So without any more chit chat, I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into this haul. So I get some beauty items and then just some like household kind of things as well. So it's kind of a miscellaneous haul today. So the first thing I got, I used to buy from Walmart. I think they were the mainstays, and they were like I don't know, a 16 or I think a 16 pack of like just votive candles. And I kind of try to avoid like the regular Walmart, like at all costs. So I've just taken to buying my votives at the Dollar Tree until I feel like going to the regular Walmart. So this is actually the second pack of these that I have bought. These are the Luminescence vanilla scented votive candle. And they're actually taller than the ones I would get at Walmart. So one of these will last me like 3 evenings. I got the vanilla this time. So yeah, just a nice, you know, when I don't want to go to the big store and go through all that hassle, I definitely don't mind picking up at the Dollar Tree every now and again. So I recycle, you know, like a lot of us do, bottles and cans and paper and cardboard. And so I kind of keep them in this old hamper. So I put it like a garbage bag in there. That way I can just close it up when I want to take them to the recycling, so I can dump them into the recycling bin. Because we don't have like, where I live, we have to like go take it somewhere. We don't have like curbside pickup or anything like that. And I don't have like a dumpster. I don't live in an apartment or anything like that. I don't like to use my good bags, like my hefty bags, to do this because it's just like plastics and paper. So I just go ahead and buy, these are Essentials large heavy duty trash bags. They're 30-gallon. And a lot of times I can reuse them if I don't get like a hole in them too bad. So like I'll buy like maybe a pack of these every 6 weeks or so, and I'll kind of keep some of the bags that are still good and reuse them, and then kind of get rid of the ones that have seen better days. So yes, I buy these often for my recycling. Now we've got some beauty items. So I did a video not too long ago, well, a couple months ago, or a few months ago, about the Dollar Tree shadow switching sponge or color switch, and I've had this one since I made that video. I also made a video about how you can make your own, because after I purchased this, I never saw them in there again. So I will link both of those videos down below in the description box so you can check them out. But today, when I went, they had them for the first time in forever. So I picked up, I think, 5 of them. And I bought like a few for myself. Then I bought one for a possible future giveaway. And then I bought another one for a friend of mine. So yes, I bought 5 of them. And the lady that was actually ringing up my order was like, what is this? And I got so excited. I'm sure the lady behind me thought I was a complete idiot. And I think the lady I was talking to thought I was too. I was like, oh my gosh, it's the best thing. If you wear eyeshadow, and I just was so excited I could hardly get like the words out. I'm sure I over-explained what it was, but yeah. I just, I love that. So, so yes, bought 5 of those. I'm so excited. I'm just so happy. And of course, I bought one from Shop Miss A recently too, and I'm gonna reserve that one for travel because it's so little. And I will also link my Shop Miss A videos down below in the description box as well. But it's really good. It works awesome, but I'm just gonna kind of save it for travel and then save these kind of bigger ones for home. And then of course I bought one too for when I do go back to work and apply makeup for my show. I'll have one in work as well. Because they do kind of wear out over time. Like, I don't know if you can see, but mine is starting to the pieces are starting to kind of break off a little bit. So they do, you can clean them kind of endlessly, but they do, from rubbing the brush in there, they do kind of wear out a little bit. So mine is starting to wear out just a bit. I guess if they didn't wear out, it would be a one-time purchase, So then I got, I've been looking, because it's summer and I'm outside a whole lot more. I should probably do this more often, but I wanted to get a lip balm that had an SPF, and I'm getting ready to run out of the one that I have. One was in my empties, and then I have the second one that I'm using, and I think it's almost gone. So I've had a hard time kind of finding a lip balm with an SPF. You'd think there'd be more. I think when I went to CVS last time, I didn't see one. So I bought these Chappy's lip balms. They have SPF 15, and it's a 2-pack for $1. And then I have been seeing these forever. I've been seeing them in other people's hauls. I've seen them in my Dollar Trees dozens of times, and I hadn't picked one up until today. So I finally picked up the Sassy plus Chic Jade roller. So I am gonna put this in my refrigerator like a lot of people suggest, and I'm super excited to use it. I've also seen the one that is like for the eyes, so I'm gonna keep on the lookout for that one and buy that one as well. I've seen them before, it's just kind of hit or miss, but very glad to have the face one, and I will be buying the eye one when I find it. So very excited to have that. And then last but not least, I wear my hair up a lot in videos and stuff, and so I've kind of been eyeing like one of these headbands in particular, and I ended up buying 3 today. So I have actually had my eye on this one for like the longest time, and I finally just bought it today. So I bought this, so you'll be seeing that in videos at some point. And then I went ahead and I bought this one. I thought that one was really pretty. And then the last one and the last thing that I bought was this one here. I thought that one was really cute, and that was like the only one that they had, so I just picked it up. So I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. I certainly did. It's been a little while since I've found so many like cool things that I've really been inspired to buy and pick up. So I hope you enjoyed this shopping trip as much as I have, and hopefully I will have a whole lot more of these in the future as well. It just kind of, you know how it is. It just depends on what the Dollar Tree, that one particular Dollar Tree, decides to sell that day or week or whatever. So hopefully there'll be more of these in the near future. So again, if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up by hitting that like button. And if you like videos like this, make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell, that way you're notified when an upload comes up, and become one of my Dollar Divas. Comment in the comment section below, #Dollar Diva if you are new. And also comment if you use or love any of these products as well, or if you have or haven't seen them at your local Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.